Hey guys, okay, so first of all, I just want to say that I have stopped doing the clips because I got bored of it, which I was afraid that was going to happen, but it did. Oh well, what you gonna do? Oh my god. Anyway, we're not going to worry about that. We're going to worry about whatever I film. Now, so, we're supposed to get this big snowstorm on the East Coast, and hunty, girl, we're supposed to get like a foot of snow. I call that rare for us. But we'll see how it goes. I hope it snows a lot. Sorry, I'm like checking my social medias. Snow update. There's no snow as you can see. It's about 12:15 and there's still no snow. Breaking news. Breaking news. Oh my god. Flurries. Flurries. Oh my god. Flurries. See, there's a little bit like a light snow. Snow update. Still snowing a little bit, and the roofs and streets are just a little bit of light powdering on the driveway. Party in the snow. I like how you can hear the snow. It's digging. It's getting there. We're supposed to get a foot of snow. I doubt it, but I hope so. It's snowman weather too. I'm gonna make a snowman maybe. Pretty. Shut up. Who's that? Kizzy. Mama. Baby. Kizzy. Come here, baby. Hi, Gizzy! It's so pretty. Like, you can't even see the stop sign no more. It's just like white and like white. Like, it's whiter than me for once. Oh my god. Woo. It's like getting deep. Boo. We gonna get. Yay! Oh. No, don't. Woo. Hey, go outside, come on. It's a winter wonderland. Oh, so cute. Come on. Come on, let go. Let go, let go. Girl, look at this winter wonderland. This is a wonderland. This is awesome. Alaska out here. So today's winter storm recap. Day 1 went great. We have like a good couple inches of snow, like 5 inches. And it's supposed to snow again tomorrow for most of the day, so we'll see what happens. It's been sleeting now. I think it might be snowing again, but we'll see.
I just posted the weather. Right.
Like a little snow dog. He's like, what is this? Pretty. It's still snowing. Where's the stairs? Oh my god. Come on, come on. What's the matter? Oh. Girl, what up? This is my snowman. My gay snowman now. Girl, he's a queen. He a queen. Family photo. These people don't know how to make a snowman from nothing. Pretty that was. Girl. It's just, it's like huge. I've never seen so much snow fall before. Look how big these drops are. Oh, Jesus.
I know it's a lot to ask.
People, there's no such thing as a driveway anymore. It's a white ocean. Update. Sun's out. Hello? People, it feels like the day after tomorrow. Like the sun is out, it's a happy ending, and now we start life all over again with all the snow. Look how pretty though it looks though. We survived. Good job, everybody. Good morning, people. What's up? So it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. And snowy today. Snowy Valentine's Day. Sure is. And a big blizzard. You know it's gonna be 70 degrees next week. Girl, I'm not complaining, but it's just funny. We just had a blizzard. And you oh. Going ice skating. Look how pretty it looks. It's like an ocean. Oh, it's like ice. We tried to get out of the house, the driveway, but it's just too much. It was a fail. One of our cars is stranded, so that's why we have to get it. But I don't know.
Once you get out of there, you're fine.
This is all gonna refreeze tonight.
Oh, when you come home tonight, it's gonna. But still, people can't plow this. It's like they don't care.
This is disgraceful. Really.
They probably know it's our car. Success, people. Success. Yes. I have the worst blisters in the world right now.
Was that Danny?
Did Britney Spears just send me a Snapchat? Oh!
But the computer has the evidence. No need to abort.
Oh, yes, that's the spot.
Dogs, woodland creatures, big and small. Future.
Snow legs. Trying to get back to life here with the snow.
Get in the car.
Bye. What's it called? The Rockies. Is that the Rocky Mountains? Come on. Oh. Come on. Woo. Is this how people in Alaska live? Oh my god.